Hey folks, Dr. Bob McCauley. I want to talk to you today about the most powerful immune system builder on the planet. It's called CGF, Chlorella Growth Factor, or Chlorella Extract. Now, where does it come from? One guess. Chlorella? Hold on, I'll tell you more about it. Chlorella is, without any doubt, the most powerful food on the planet. Now, there's some that would argue with that, but it's because they don't know what they're talking about. So what we do with this chlorella, which is 60% protein, is a hot water extraction. So we concentrate it, and we turn it into first a liquid. It's called CGF liquid, or with the OD, optical density, of 200, of 400, which is twice as powerful. And then we keep making it thicker and thicker and more concentrated until finally it turns into a powder. And that's when you have OD 5000, optical density of 5000. This is powerful stuff. It's the most powerful components of the most powerful food on the planet. But what's in it? I'll tell you that next. Okay, this is a hot water extraction, so there's no chemicals involved or anything like that. We're basically just taking off all the fiber, we get rid of the chlorophyll, and now we get down to these really incredibly powerful components, nutritional components, amino acids, aminopeptides, glycoproteins, vitamin B complex, all sorts of other vitamins, minerals, RNA and DNA, nucleic acids, the blueprints to our cells. This is proper cell reproduction, one of the keys to longevity that so often is missed. People talk about all sorts of things for longevity. You got to have the blueprints to your cells if you want proper cell reproduction. Otherwise, you get a copy of a diminished copy of a diminished copy, and that's how it leads to accelerated aging. You've got polysaccharides and phytohormones. It's the heart of the chlorella cell, and when you're making the powder, it takes 100 pounds of chlorella to make 1 pound of CGF extract. So it's costly, but it's amazingly effective. So how do you take it? Okay, as I said, there's the liquid form. This stuff is really high energy. It gives you a lot of energy because look at the components that are in it. So there's OD 200, optical density 200, optical density OD 400, OD 5000. That's the powder. And let me tell you something. I'll put it really nicely. This stuff is pungent. It's really strong. It's awful. So I've sold it for years and years and years. And people take a little bit and put it into drinks, that kind of stuff. But now, for the first time, we have it in capsule form. And you take 1 or 2 capsules a day. This is the most powerful anti-cancer food I know of. The most powerful immune system builder. The best for longevity. This is it. It is really the best set of components, the most complete set of powerful nutritional components you're going to find in any food. Chlorella Growth Factor, Chlorella Extract, in liquid or tablet or powder form. We do combine it with spirulina and chlorella in tablet form, but here 100% pure in capsules. First time we've offered it. This is really something you got to add to your diet. Amazing stuff.